Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Rebecca Sanders. I have an upgrade for our circles for dance class. I've been trying to use paper plates and they're starting to crush and slip, and so I've been looking for other materials that we all might have at home and available to us or easily accessible via Amazon orders. So one of the things I found is craft foam. I'm really liking it, and I encourage you guys, it'll make dance class a little bit more fun if everybody can have their circles, but no worries if you can't get your hands on some. Craft foam sticky back, which has, its own self-adhesive on the back. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're doing here. I'd say we need about 6 circles. That's about how many I'm going to make for us here at the Sanders household. So you're going to need about 6 pieces. It doesn't have to be any particular color, just 6 pieces. If you can make more, great, because I'm sure a few will get taken or chewed up by family, little siblings or dogs. You're going to need an 8 to 9 inch bowl or cake pan or pie plate that you can trace around. You'll need a marker. You'll need some flat surface that you can do all of this on. So what you're going to do, moms and dads should help you because this involves markers and scissors and things like that. You're going to lay your foam down. You're going to put your bowl down and you're going to trace around it, which I already did. So you're tracing around the outside like that. You've got your circle. So from here, you're going to set those aside and you're going to get the next material, which is shelf liner. So this keeps moms and dads nice glassware from slipping in the cupboards, that kind of thing. There's 2 types. This one's a little see-through. It's got a little bit of holes in it. I prefer this. This doesn't slip nearly as much. I've tried it out on my wood floors. There's another shelf liner like this material. It helps. It's not as good as the other shelf liner. If you can get your hands on a roll or 2 of this type of shelf liner, I prefer this. So you're going to do the same thing that we just did. You're going to put your bowl down on the shelf liner. You're going to trace it with your marker, making sure you don't get it on, don't get marker on mom's and dad's favorite desk or table. Make sure you have something underneath it if you need to. And then you'll take that and cut. This is, again, mom and dad need to help. I'm doing a video, Miss Julia. I'll be with you in a second. So you're going to cut those out. You're going to cut your circles to save time. I already have them cut. So you have your foam circle like this, and then you're going to have your circle with the liner. And then what you do is you peel the sticky back off of the foam circle after you've cut it, and you put the liner on top of it. And it should just self-adhere. And if you have felt instead of foam, that also works. Sticky back, you can buy felt with sticky back. And now they're adhered to each other. Just like that. No glue necessary. It's already done for you. And I'm going to put this down here on the floor, my messy floors, so that you can kind of see the result. I put that on my wood floor, and it's not sliding around at all. Compared to if I put a piece of just plain felt, it slides right away. Again, I'll jump on it just so you can see it's not budging. So that's what our hope is. Our hope is for class work together next week when we get together, that you guys can have a couple of these circles, even if you just have one right now for standing in first and second position. That would be great. If not, no worries. We look forward to having class with you all soon. Bye.